I'm here at the Atlantis Royal Towers in the Bahamas, and I thought we could use the bridge between the two Royal Towers to illustrate the operation of a bridge. And remember that a bridge is the predecessor to a switch. They both make forwarding decisions in the same basic way. They take a look at MAC addresses, media access control addresses that they've learned off of their different ports, and they make forwarding decisions appropriately. For example, if you consider the Royal Towers behind me, let's imagine that on one side we have a collection of MAC addresses, of devices. On the other side of the bridge we have another collection of devices, another set of MAC addresses. Now here's the big question. What's going to cause a frame, a layer 2 frame, to go across that bridge? What's going to cause a frame to go from one side to the other side? It's only going to happen if it needs to get there. In other words, if the destination MAC address lives on the other side of the bridge, then yes, the frame will go across the bridge. Well, I said that was the only way. There are some other things that might cause a frame to cross that bridge. For example, let's say that the MAC address table in a switch is full. It doesn't have the capacity to learn any additional MAC addresses. Therefore, if a MAC address lives on one side in one of the towers, and that MAC address has not been learned by the bridge or the switch, then it doesn't know it lives there, and it will forward unknown unicast traffic across that bridge. Something else that can cross a bridge is multicast traffic. Multicast traffic will go across that bridge unless we have some multicast specific configuration that prevents it from doing so. Something else that will cross that bridge is broadcast traffic. Broadcast traffic goes to everyone within a subnet, and therefore it's going to go to everyone on both sides of that bridge. So to sum up, a bridge, it stands between two different collision domains. Each tower in this case is its own collision domain. A collision on one side is not felt by devices on the other side. Traffic is only forwarded normally across the bridge or the switch if the traffic needs to get there based on the switch's examination of the destination MAC address. Other types of traffic that could flow across a bridge include unknown unicast traffic. Maybe a MAC address has not been learned. Maybe it cannot be learned because the MAC address table is full. Or we could have multicast traffic, or we could have broadcast traffic also traversing that bridge.